extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution. Make sure you're safe about it. Rock on. Let me show you how I'm going to make a Harry Potter wand for my little girl's birthday. Super easy. So I'm going to use my Ryobi grinder, 40 grit flap disc. There's this little safety switch here. I just had to put a little block here. Just put a little piece of scrap underneath the safety switch so it's pressed down. I left the handle on because it gives it a little bit more stability. But then all I do, I want to make sure I have it really secure. I'm just going to clamp it to my workbench. You can see how it gets the safety switch. See, look, I mean, I can't get this off. That's how safe you want it. You want it nice and snug. This is my on button. So you take another clamp. It's going to be a little loud while I'm doing this, but so you take another clamp and turn it on. Hey, safety first, guys. You want this to be secure. Secure. Seriously, I've touched this when it's going before. It it rips your skin off like that. Just a 1/2-inch dowel. Got these on Amazon. Perfect for a wand. I got my handhold here. Sky's the limit for the design. I'm going to do kind of a point for the tip. So I want to do kind of a spiral design. So all I'm going to do is kind of drag it and spin it up the disc. And I made a little thumb spot. It works great when I'm casting spells. See how fast it carved into that wood and how much harder that wood is than your finger? Yeah! Careful. And don't wear gloves. I probably should have tucked my shirt in. You don't want to get that wrapped in there. This is an old flap disc, so you're going to get burn marks, but I think it adds a cool touch. So fast, so easy. I think it's way safer than trying to do this with the wand. 11 wands in like 5 minutes. See how fast that went? And look, they're all different. I think all the kids are going to fight over which one's the coolest. Probably these two. Wingardium Leviosa, Big Belly Hummus. Then I'm going to take my wood burner and the party attendees, I'll just write their name. Pretty cool, huh?